everybody, and this is Man and Mon video again, okay?
Hi.
And this is my brother Mon. You should see him a lot. Okay, today my brother got a new gun. Sledge fire.
Hey, no, it's not called Sledge fire. It's called Sledge fire. Okay, bad boy.
Okay, you know what? If you didn't see the review that we did on this brand new gun, Sledge fire, so today you can watch this. Okay, this is so cool. Today we'll do Hellfire versus Sledge fire,
And no bad language in this video. If you like it that we don't have bad language, please click like, and or you don't want to click like, you don't need, and please click subscribe. If you don't, okay, you don't, and we still like you.
Come on, let's go.
Subscribe too.
Let's start the Hellfire.
Okay, now I'm reloading. So cool. See my dart? Okay, go, go, go. Okay, the camera is on Hellfire. Okay. See that boy? That boy. Come on. Ah! I'm trying to. Not at me. I'm still trying to put my things on. Oh my God, the camera!
Dun, 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 dun.
Come on.
It's on, it's on.
Hey! I'm back!
It's stuck! No! Ah, I'm dying.
No, no, no. What can I do, dude? Whoa! I reloaded it.
Click subscribe too. And that's just a movie, okay? And you know that you should. The Sledge fire is better than Hellfire, I think, because Hellfire, you know what? It stuck pretty much, but Sledge fire don't stuck. So be back. Click subscribe and like.